Okay, next is to create the code so that the ball bounces when it hits the paddle. You may remember that when we created the code for the paddle sprite, we broadcasted a message called bounce. Now let's prepare the code so that the ball bounces when this message is received. I click Events and drag a When I Receive Bounce code block here. Again, let's drag the Set Y2 code block under Motion like this. Here, the value is given as 120. Next time the ball bounces, it is necessary to change the point in direction of the ball. Let's add 180 degrees to the current direction every time. I connect a point in direction code block here under Motion. For the value here, let's connect a code block with the addition sign in the operators. Type 180 to the left side of the plus sign and connect a direction code block in the Motion category to the right side. Now when playing this game, it is necessary to change the score. Not only the score, I think it would be better if the speed at which the ball moves is changed as the game progresses. I drag a when flag click code block from events here. Next, let's create two variables called score and speed for this. Let's click variables and click make the variable button. Here, the name of the variable is given as score. Since the score is a number, let's keep the data type as number. Now, click the OK button. Click the Make a Variable button again for the next variable. Give the name of this variable as speed and click the OK button here. Since I want the score to be 0 at the beginning, I drag a Set My Variable to 0 code block here in Variables. Click on the arrow in front of My Variable and select Score. Here the value is 0. Next, you need to adjust the speed. Let's give the speed of the ball as 5 at the beginning. Again, a Set My Variable to 0 code block in the variables is dragged like this. Click on the arrow in front of My Variable and select Speed. Here, the value is changed to 5. Next, every time the ball hits the paddle, it is necessary to increase the score as well as the speed by 1. I drag a forever code block under control here. Let's drag an if code block in the controls into this forever code block. Here, a touching mouse pointer code block is connected under sensing for the condition. Let's click on the arrow in front of the mouse pointer and select the paddle. Next, click Variables and drag a Change My Variable by 1 code block into this if code block. Again, another Change My Variable by 1 code block is dragged into this if code block. Let's change the variable name of the code block to score. In the next code block, the variable name is changed to speed. When the ball bounces, since the number of steps the ball travels depends on the speed, let's connect a speed code block under variables for the number of steps here in the Move 10 Steps code block. Okay, now we have completely created the ball game. Now, click on the Go button here and let's play this game. From the top of the stage, you can see the score as well as the speed. If you made it in this way, you little ones are very talented. Now, let's save this design. I click on the file in the upper left corner of the interface and select Save As. Now from here, let's browse the PictoBlocks project folder that we created on the desktop. The file name is given as Project 8 and click on Save. Okay, now to see the creation that you have made, WhatsApp it to the number note 7681252244. Tell your friends also about the creation. Send it to me as well as to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too can now join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school as well. We are ready to give you all the guidance for that. If you want to start a DP Coding Club in any school where computer labs are available, make a request through the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So let's meet with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.